Hi everyone, this is Teacher Jane of Teach Talk, where learning is fun and easy. If this is your first time watching our videos, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button so you'll get notified on our next videos. Welcome to Xianxia Amazing! Xianxia Amazing! Kung saan pag-uusapan natin ang mga concepts from grade 7 to grade 12, including topics in general science, biology, chemistry, physics, and earth science. At dito, bida ang agham! Let's have another trivia! Have you ever wondered why water is considered a universal solvent? Tinatawag ang water na universal solvent dahil kaya nitong mag-dissolve o tumunaw ng maraming substances kagaya ng powdered juice, punta naman tayo sa second factor natin, which is the temperature of the system. Meron akong tanong, in which will sugar dissolve faster? Sa hot coffee ba? O sa iced coffee? Let's find out. In solid solutes, just like sugar, salt, coffee powder, solubility increases when the temperature is higher or when temperature increases. Kaya, mas mabilis ma-dissolve o matunaw ang asukal sa mainit na kape. How about in gas solutes? Just like yung sa atmosphere natin o sa mga dissolved gas sa oceans o sa ating soft drinks. What happens? The effect is in reverse or reciprocal. The solubility decreases when temperature increases. Ano ba yung typical example? We have this one. Kapag binuksan natin ang isang bote ng soft drinks, gas escapes from the soft drinks kasi nag-increase yung temperature kaya parang hindi na fresh or hindi na kumakagat yung soft drinks na iniinom natin once exposed na siya sa air. What is another example? Another example is sa oceans natin o sa seas o sa dagat. Kapag mas mataas ang temperature, more dissolved oxygen evaporate or escape from the oceans or seas. Since warm water is on top, it prevents the dissolving of oxygen dun sa baba. And this situation affects sa animals na nasa ilalim, just like yung mga isda. Eventually, they will suffocate. Next, let's proceed to the third factor, which is the pressure of gas over the solvent. Dito, magfo-focus naman tayo sa gas solutes. Solubility increases when pressure is increased. Magbigay tayo ng isang example. We have this experiment showing the effect of pressure on gaseous solutes. Tingin muna kayo sa A, yung parang takip na metal. Nasa taas pa siya, di ba? So there is equilibrium between the gases on top of the water and on the water. But what if we lower the cover or the metal cover? An imbalance will be created and the gases will move in order to maintain the equilibrium, kaya mas nagiging mabilis ang solubility. So, pressure has a high effect in the solubility of gaseous solutes. Paano naman yung effect ng pressure sa solid and liquid solutes? Solubility is not directly affected by pressure. It's quiz time! I will give you a short quiz para malaman natin kung meron ba kayong natutunan in this video. I will give you 3 minutes, then after that time, you will check. Let's check if your answers are correct. Which of the following solutes and solvents would form a stable solution? Sa left side, meron tayong mga solute, then on the right side, we have yung mga solvent. Let's check kung saan dito yung makaka-form ng stable solution. Number 1, ethanol and water. Are they similar in nature? Yes, ethanol is polar and water is also polar. So they will form a stable solution. Number 1 is check. How about number 2, table salt o asin and water? Of course, this is also correct. Number 3, cooking oil and vinegar. Same ba sila ng nature? Let's check. Ano ba yung cooking oil? Is it polar or non-polar? It is non-polar. How about vinegar? Is it polar or non-polar? Vinegar is polar. Kaya nga di ba nag-mix siya sa water? So number 3 is not possible. How about number 4? We have cooking oil and gasoline. Let's check kung similar sila in nature. Cooking oil is non-polar. How about gasoline? It's also non-polar, so they will form a stable solution. Number 4 is also correct. The correct answer for this item is letter C. 1, 2, and 4 only. Let's proceed to the second item. In which of the given situations will the solubility of the solute increase? O kung saan magi-increase yung solubility or mas mabilis yung pag-dissolve? A. Addition of more table salt and water. I-analyze natin to. Nag-add ka raw ng mas maraming asin in water. Magi-increase ba ang solubility or mas magiging matagal? Mas tatagal. Kasi yung addition of water means that mas marami yung kailangan i-dissolve ng water. At merong point, meron lang siyang maximum point na kaya niyang i-dissolve. At pag mag-exceed na doon dahil nga sa kaka-add mo, the water will no longer be able to dissolve the table salt. How about letter B? A lake which contains dissolved oxygen warms. Ang keyword ay warms, mas iinit. Ano nga ulit yung effect ng warmer or yung higher temperatures sa ating gaseous solutes? Solubility decreases when temperature increases. So pag tumaas yung temperature, mas mag-evaporate or mas mag-escape yung dissolved oxygen sa lake. So the effect is that solubility will decrease. How about letter C? Using 80 degrees Celsius water instead of 30 degrees Celsius to dissolve table salt. Yung keyword is 80 degrees Celsius water. O mas mataas kesa sa 30 degrees Celsius. So yung main idea dito, instead of using a lower temperature, itinaas mo yung temperature para ma-dissolve yung table salt. Ano nga ulit yung relationship between the solubility of solid solutes and temperature? The solubility increases when temperature increases. So letter C is a possible answer. How about letter D? Storing gas in a rubber container instead of a metal container. Ang keyword dito ay ang rubber container. Kapag ba isa-store natin sa rubber container, mas mataas ba ang solubility? The answer is no, because metal container exerts more pressure compared to rubber container. So kung gusto mo mas ma-increase in solubility, you should store it in a metal container, not in a rubber container. Therefore, the only one that satisfies increasing solubility is letter C. Kindly comment your scores in the comment section below.
That ends our Scientia-mazing episode for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends so that we can learn together. Bye!